Okay, so I'm going to explain to you paano ba nakukuha ang bottom number. So let's review first the type of time signature. So there are three common type of time signature. So we have 2-4, we have 3-4, and 4-4. So the top number indicates it indicates the number of beats per measure. Per measure. Then the bottom number indicates the kind or type of note. Okay? So now, anak, let's have this example. So here we have three measures. First measure, second measure, and the third measure. So in each measure, there are equivalent number of beats. Okay? There are beats inside the measure. So let's find out how many beats are there per measure to figure out the time signature. So let us have first the first measure. As you can see, there's a half note here, and we all know that the half note received 2 beats. For the second measure, we have here 2 8 notes that receive 1 beat and a quarter note that receive 1 beat. For the third measure, we have here a quarter note that receive 1 beat, 2 8 notes that receive 1 beat. So let's add. Okay? So this one, you can mag-add kasi wala naman siyang kasamang note. So this is 2. For the second measure, 1 plus 1, that is 2. For the third measure, we have 1 plus 1, this is 2 also. So the number on the top is 2. So now, let's find out what kind of bottom number that we are going to use. Or bakit ba magiging 4 ang bottom number? So anak, I have here a clue. Okay? Kapag si bottom number ay 2, ang gagamitin na type of note is a half note. Kapag naman si bottom number ay 4, ang gagamitin mo or type of note na gagamitin mo ay quarter note. Okay? So dito na lang muna tayo, no? Hindi ko na i-explain yung other bottom number. So ito lang naman yung common lagi, the 2 and the 4 bottom number. So let's focus to 4. Yung bottom number na 4, ang type ng note na gagamitin mo ay quarter note. So as you can see, let's go back to the given example. The first note is a half note. Technically, this is not a quarter note. It's a half note. But you have to ask yourself, is there any note that is equivalent to a half note? Yes or no? Yes, there is. Ano pong note ang equivalent sa half note? To quarter note, because a quarter note receive 1 beat. That's why when you add this one, you will get that beat of a half note. Okay? So technically, gumamit tayo ng quarter note. So gumamit ka ng quarter note, kaya 4 ang kanyang bottom number. Okay? So ngayon, kung may makikita ka naman na sa isang measure ay ginamit niya ay whole note, and then 2 half note, and then 4 quarter note. So the time signature here is 4, 4. Why? Kasi po, si whole note, si whole note ay may equivalent na quarter note. So, ilang quarter note ang equivalent ni whole note? 4. Because a quarter note receive 1 beat. That's why equivalent siya kay quarter note. Same as the half note. May equivalent siya na quarter note which is 2 quarter notes. So, pag pinag-add mo 1 plus 1, 2 beats equivalent to a half note. And this one, of course, this is a quarter note, so you don't need to convert or ask yourself kung may equivalent pa siya. So, this is quarter note. So, ang gagamitin natin na bottom number is 4. Okay? I hope naintindihan ni anak. Thank you and God bless.